Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to make integral math in 2026. Need more advanced automation than Zapier? Make gives you full control, so let's connect it to Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is to create a Make account. And to do that, you're going to go to make.com and you're going to sign in and create an account. After that, you're going to finish setting up your account by choosing these options right here and choosing and following these. Make sure to follow it carefully as you're setting up your accounts for real. So I'm just gonna click on this right here. I'm just gonna complete it randomly and I'm gonna click on get started. And after that, I'm gonna log into my Make account. After you log into your Make account, you're gonna create a new scenario. You're gonna click a scenario, for example, and then you're gonna create a new scenario and then search for Wix. Let's search for Wix. Click build from scratch and then search for Wix. Here you can click on it and then you're going to search for Wix and choose a trigger like this. We're going to choose Wix. From these options, we're going to scroll all the way down until we find the Wix option. Just search for it in the search bar. So here I'm going to click on it and then after that you're going to choose a trigger and then you're going to add it. After that, you're going to connect to Wix. You're going to go to here, to Wix, and you're going to make sure you log into your account, either by Google account or your Wix account. And then you're going to approve the permissions. You're going to add connections, or you can add apps. Here, click on the Apps Manager or App Market. And then you're going to add the Wix or the Make application. After that, you're going to approve permissions by clicking on Add. Then you're going to build your automation. You can add models like new form submission, new order, and new contacts. And you can connect actions and test and activate. And runs once to test. Then turn scenarios on. And make sure to start with simple scenarios, watch task limits on free plan, and always test with real data. And now your website is fully automated using Make. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.